section comes under the store module and is used to perform operational transaction after completing the master setup. Store purchase entry. Introduction. This section explains how to record a store purchase entry for supplier billing and stock inward. Step 1. Open entry screen. Navigate to links, entry points. Select store purchase. The store purchase entry screen opens. Step 2. Search item. Enter any one identifier, item code, barcode, or item name. Click search. Select the item from the dialog box. Step 3. Enter item details. In the item dialog, enter unit, rate, unit of measurement, total value, confirm to add the item. Step 4. Enter document details. Enter purchase reference details, bill number and bill date, GRN number and GRN date, PO number and PO date, supplier or party name. Step 5. Enter tax and charges. Enter financial values, basic value, CGST, SGST, IGST, discount and deduction, rate and other charges. Step 6. Calculate total. Enter adjustment amount. Click Get Total. Verify the total amount displayed. Step 7. Enter transportation details. Record logistic information. Vehicle number, transporter name, bilty number and bilty date, gate entry number. Step 8. Final submission. Enter narration if required. Click Final Submit. The store purchase entry has been successfully saved and the stock has been inverted.